Easy now, this way. Good, keep coming. All right, through the gate. Perfect, settle in. Easy now, keep coming. Good, that's it. Right through. Good job. Easy now, keep it steady. Good, watch the log.
Easy now, girl.
This way. Keep steady.
Good stretch. Follow me.
Easy now, this way. Good, keep coming. All right, line up. Easy now, one step at a time. That's it, good boy. Easy there, girl. You're doing great. Looking good back here. All stable.
Easy now. Head down gently.
Eyes look clear, no cloudiness. Neck is smooth, no swelling. Overall posture is excellent, good muscle tone. All clear. Next one. Easy now, stand steady. Head up, good. Scanning, reading stable, all clear. Heart rate steady at 72, all good. Adjusting for better resolution now. Neck circumference at 1.8 meters. Leg length, 2.1 meters. Easy now, good boy. Lather it well. Almost done. Easy now, let's get you clean. Good, rinsing now. Easy now, good boy. Almost dry there. Next one, gently. Check this section for scars. Underside is clear. Neck stable. Lay it flat, smooth the edges. Aligning here, ready for next. Smooth the edges, keep it even. Good, next one over. Smooth edge here. Copy, next skin. All clear. Final check complete, patterns aligned. Layout is ready for the next phase. Adjusting intensity for the skin. Looks safe, proceed. Next batch ready.
Careful with that edge. Smooth it out slowly.
Alignment is good here. Yes, the spacing is perfect. Edges are smooth, fur is clean. Looks ready for the next phase. Lift gently for airflow. Good, hold that position. Next one, carefully. Airflow is steady, skins are drying nicely. Check the far rack for even drying.
Rotate this one now.
Careful with the edges. Next section, go. All skins are fully dried and ready for the next phase. Easy does it. Guard it flat. Keep it smooth. No wrinkles. Ready? Next one. Next skin ready. Guiding onto table. These are aligned. Check the edges. Confirmed. Ready for cutting.
Align the edges carefully.
Smooth out the wrinkles now.
Use the guide for a straight line. 6 inches from the edge, marking the line. Parallel cuts ready.
Check this edge for straightness. Uniform markings, good. Move to the next batch. Pattern match confirmed. Ready for stitching. Edges are clean, batch approved. Align the patterns first. Smooth the edges gently. Perfect. Now the next one. Thread it steady through the eye. Keep the tension even. Good. Prepare the next one.
Edges aligned? Yes, tight and clean. Perfect finish.
Check these seams. Edges are aligned.
Align this edge here. Match the patterns carefully. Align the edges carefully. Good. Next sheet. Final check complete. All crates are secured. Steady now. On 3. Got it. Adjusting for balance. Clear. Next one. Slide it in steady. Got it. Pushing now. Next one coming. Space it tight. All right. Closing now. Latching secure. All set. Okay, bring her in slow. Copy that. Aligning now. A little more right. Good. Perfect. Set the brake. Check the top stack for shifting. Labels are good. All clear. Ready? Lift. Got it. Easy. Next one. Careful with that one. It's fragile. Label checks out. Proceed. Next batch ready. Let's go. Careful, set it down gently. Slide it back slowly.